really start to have a conversation with him, is it? And Pak Rizal can also introduce what Hexagon Agriculture can offer to PTPN. Yeah.
Okay, Pak.
Okay, that's number one. Yeah. Number two, since Pak Iwan used to he know the mill's operation, maybe you can ask him questions like, today in the mill, what are the challenges your company face in the mill? Understand the challenge first, not to talk about not to mention about the product. First, understand what is the challenge faced by the mill, what solutions they are looking for. Then you can report back to excellent people, right? Whether you can talk to Mas Ari or you can talk to myself. If you want, you can also approach me to by OV. I am more happy to share you. Because we don't want to go to a customer and start to sell them a J5 ICX. No, we need to understand first their challenge first before you offer them the solutions.
Okay.
You follow me, Pak Purwan?
Correct. Copy, Pak. Copy, Pak.
Please. So first thing, TPN 3, please organize the online meeting, a Zoom meeting between yourself and Rizal to understand what challenge they are facing in plantation. Do they have any initiative? All right. Then okay, Professor. Then Rizal, from there you can basically share him, yeah, or you can actually discuss to him Hexagon Agriculture can offer. All right. I see. I see. Understand. Then if really if he's interested in Hexagon Agriculture, then Purwan, you can ask him. You can ask Pak Iwan to help you schedule the meeting with the end user for plantation. That's number one. Number two, ask Pak Iwan, what are the challenges faced by the mill? Do they have any initiative to improve the situation? Based on the information, you can ask for myself. What
Yeah.
can we offer? Yeah. Then
About sorry, sir. I interrupt your speak. About number two, what their challenge in mill? I already have discussion with Pak Iwan.
okay.
The pain point right now is the apa ya, Pak?
Bahasa Indonesia aja. Bahasa Indonesia dulu aja apa?
Mereka masih punya habit yang lama, Pak.
So old habit.
Okay.
Old habit.
Okay. Yeah.
Mereka masih belum mau menerima perubahan, Pak. They still don't have accept the new approach, Pak. Teknologi.
Okay.
That's the situation right now in PTPN 3. Previously Pak Iwan asked to me, Pak. That's
Okay,
that's the challenge.
So first is the human factor.
Yes, Pak.
Right? To me, it's a human factor. Okay, how do they change? Right. So this is really an education. Right. So I will suggest. All right. Okay. Then when you talk to Pak Iwan again, ask him. Okay. Since they know that there is a human factor, a challenge in human factor, they don't want to change, right? Are they going to just keep things in status quo, no change, or they already have some planning to improve? If they have planned to improve, what do they want to improve on? I think you need to get this information before you even visit them in Sumatra for the meals. You understand?
Okay, for the meals.
I'm talking about the meals, not plantation.
Yes.
Just the meal side. Yeah. Because if they don't have if they are not willing to change, right? It makes no sense for you to go to Sumatra and present to the end user.
Yes.
You understand? So you must first ask them, okay, you ask Pak Iwan. Tell Pak Iwan, say, okay, now you know that it's a human factors. There's no initiative. Do you even plan to change? If you plan to change, do you have the support of the management to change? And what do you want to change?
Yes, Pak.
Yeah, okay?
Okay, Pak.
Any questions?
For PTPN 3, I think enough, Pak.
Enough, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So which other plantation are you talking to right now? Like the PTPN 3?
PTPN.
London, Sumatra.
London, Sumatra, yes.
Okay, so can you please explain Who do you took in London Sumatera?
Mr. Sumarjono, Pak.
Hmm.
Mr. Sumarjono, but he already said, I am already retired from London, Sumatra.
Okay.
Previously, his position is finance head, Pak.
Okay.
So he he promised to me to introduce
Insist.
to
Ah.
introduce to his ex college in London, Sumatra. But until now, no confirmation from him.
Okay. Understand. So, do you
And
know anybody? Sorry. Go ahead.
sorry, Pak. And London, Sumatra is already acquired by siapa ya? Aduh. Salim Group, Pak. Salim Group.
Okay.
That's why Pak Sumarjono informed that, oh, saya tidak mengenal banyak orang di London, Sumatera saat ini, Pak.
Right. Okay. He doesn't know a lot
Yes,
of
Pak.
people, is it?
Yeah, a lot of people. But his ex-college already moved to other side, Pak, to other division.
Which other
No, other division, Pak.
division of London Sumatra or other company?
Division, Pak. But they're still same company.
Okay. Okay. Rizal,
Yeah, Pak Sir.
did we present to London Sumatra last time with Hexagon Agriculture?
Not yet, Master.
Which one did you present to? Remember we presented to a person.
Oh, ASEAN Agri.
ASEAN Agri. Okay.
Yes, ASEAN Agri.
So, but Purba, is ASEAN Agri one your target also?
Yeah, also, Pak. Also.
Okay. So ASEAN Agri, what is the progress?
Wait, Pak.
Yeah.
ASEAN Agri.
For ASEAN Agri, we follow up again, Pak Sir.
With that gentleman. Follow up with who?
With Pak Marjan Purba.
Pak Marjan.
If
yes.
you remember.
Yeah, I remember, yes.
Yeah. So they said the planting assistant is not required for investment to him because the cyclus of oil is 13 years for one cyclus. So the system is not good for investment like that.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay.
Yes, Pak.
So is there anything else we can offer him in ASEAN Agri? I mean, not planting system, but anything else? Are they trying to reduce fertilizer?
Yeah, I try to offering the machine monitoring, but they already have for machine monitoring there, and the last information is not going well.
What do you mean not going well?
Not going well for apa namanya? Mereka sudah punya sistem machine monitoring sebelumnya, Pak. They already have.
Oh, they already have. Okay.
Yes, but for now it's not going well. But also I trying to offering the
Jadi
machine monitoring.
mesin monitoring mereka udah punya nggak berjalan dengan baik gitu kan. Terus kita jadi sekarang coba nawarin yang punya kita gitu.
Ya, kita nawarin itu katanya dia belum tertarik juga, Pak. Dan itu bukan divisi dia juga, orang yang lain gitu.
Kalau gitu berarti kita approach-nya di orang yang salah. Kalau gitu kita harus approach-nya ke tempat yang benar. Kalau kamu nawarin ke orang yang nggak butuh, ya dia nggak bakalan mau.
Posisinya lain kebun kan ya Pak, proyek itu Pak. Dan di tempat dia.
Udah coba nyari ke yang cepat.
Iya. Mungkin Pak Purba mungkin bisa nanti informasinya Pak.
Boleh. Ini memang belum ada kami tanya sih Pak. Cuma kemarin itu dia katanya lebih tertarik dengan ini with J5 gitu Bang. Cuma saya pikir hanya lip sync aja karena kemarin itu dia bilang memang lagi nyusun budget, but masih ada kendala di petinggi katanya Bang kemarin Bang.
So Dexter basically uh, the one that Reza and Pak Purba contact
Yep.
informed that they they have problem with the monitoring system that they currently use, but it's from different department.
Okay.
So currently Pak Purba trying to connect with the person that related with this machine monitoring to check further whether
Okay.
currently they are trying to fix their current system for the monitoring, or they are interested in changing or using our monitoring system instead.
Understood. Does Papua know who to contact?
Currently, Pak Purba trying to they know the different department that uh, relevant or using the machine monitoring system, but haven't got the connection itself.
See, okay, understand. Okay. All right. Let's go to Cinema Forestry. Okay, Cinema Forestry, Pak Rizal. What
Yeah,
are we trying to
Pastor.
offer them?
Yes, we have already sent quotation, Pastor, for fertilization system.
Fertilization system?
Yes,
VRT.
not VRT, but not VRT, electric, but the other
Mechanical.
for mechanical hydraulics.
Yeah,
Hydraulic, okay.
Mhm.
How long? When did you send the quotation to them?
I sent
Friday, Bang.
last Friday.
Last Friday.
Sorry. So
Yeah.
so who's opportunity? Who's owning this opportunity? Is it you or Pak Ruby?
Information
Purba,
from
Dexter.
Fabio, Pastor.
Pak Purba is the one handling the account. Reza is pre-sales and technical support. So all the sales related activity is handled by Pak Purba.
I see. Okay. So Pak Kuba for Cinemas Forestry, right?
Yes, Pak.
Who's your contact person there?
Mr. Gustavo, Pak, as a mechanical and R&D engineer, manager, sorry. Mr. Gustavo.
Okay. He's an engineer.
No, manager
Head of mechanization.
R&D.
Head of mechan-
R&D
Head-
Research and
Head
Development.
of mechanization.
head of mechanization.
Yes, Pastor. Head of mechanization.
Do they have a requirement? Do they have a needs?
Yes,
know
of
what's their
course,
needs?
Pak. We already meeting 2 times with them. Firstly, they regarding their RFQ to us. They send the RFQ to Hexagon Brazil, Mr. Fabio, and then Fabio
Okay.
give us information, give us lead to taking care this opportunity and meeting with Sinarmas Forestry 2 times to clarify their need, Pak. And also
see.
with Hexagon Agron from Brazil, Pak. Mr. Fabio also include in that meeting.
Okay. Now I remember. Rizal, is this the one that was Pak Anang working with and then working with you? Is this the one? Or is it the
Yes, but the different system.
other system? Okay. All right. So Papuba,
Yes, Pak.
you are talking to the head of mechanization, is it?
Yes, Pak.
I used to also evaluate what other challenges or other needs excellent agriculture can help them.
This is for their pilot project, Pak. Actually,
No,
maybe.
I understand.
Uh,
I understand this is for pilot. This is for fertilization. Excellent agriculture has other system as well. So have you started to explore them? What other initiative they have maybe in next year that you can start to develop right now?
not yet, sir. Not yet.
So please, since you're talking the head of mechanization, right? The head of mechanization in a plantation usually have a few initiatives. I think fertilizer system is only one. he might have other initiative. Can you maybe just ask him what other initiative or organization project he's working on? If
For
there's something that excellent agriculture can help him, you see, the idea is the objective here is to expand more solutions into the opportunity, not
Okay.
just focus on fertilizer. Okay,
for you mean for next year or budgeting
I'm
like
trying to say yes. I'm trying to say to build pipeline for next year.
okay.
Okay, just focus on fertilizer. I know you have sent a quotation to them,
Yes,
but you
yes.
can also start to ask them what other initiative they have, right? Then you can start to develop the pipeline for maybe for next year.
Yes, Pak, but we have to prove to them first with we wish this to become a PO ya Pak ya. To become a PO
Understand?
we wish, but we deliver first and we show them our serious our apa istilahnya?
Understand? You show them your commitment. I understand.
Our commitment to deliver the unit first and installation also Pak, because installation included in our quotation for them.
Okay, Uba,
Yes Pak.
let me stop you here. You know, Hexagon Agriculture, they offer many systems.
Yes Pak.
Fertilizer, pesticide control,
Yes.
soil monitoring,
Soil monitoring,
management,
yes.
all right, operations management,
Yes Pak.
okay, and machine monitoring.
Yes.
So, Pak Rizal,
Yeah.
for this opportunity, right, Sinarmas Forestry, what are we offering them? What did Fabio offer them? Is it just P11, sorry, P11 or P10?
For first, yes, Mr. Gustavo, actually, she is from
Brazil.
large company, yeah. Brazil from Brazil also. And they already use the Hexagon Agriculture Solution, Pak Doctor. So now he want bring the solution to the Sinarmas Forestry like that.
Yes.
But the start project is from fertilizer first.
Okay.
Fabio said to him, yeah, we have a many solution, but
biar dulu ada
he understand. But now he
Pak
want to
Gustavo
fertilizer
connect
them
dulu
first.
nih ya Pak.
But
Ini baru apa?
he want
Ya,
to
oke lah mungkin.
include
Iya.
other solution for the next.
Okay, understand. So, is he the only person that you guys are talking to? Is Pak Mustafa the only contact person?
Yes Pak.
No.
For engineer ya Bang. Mr.
Oh yeah,
Gustavo.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we already asked to him, do you have team or other Indonesian for bahasa language? He still doesn't reply our asking, Pak.
Okay. Okay, so now, Uba,
Yes, Pak.
you know, Hexagon Agriculture Solutions can be applied to plantation, right?
Yes, Pak.
I would like to request you to discuss with Pak Rizal which other plantation in Indonesia you can follow up. You can contact to make the connection. You understand? Uba?
I understand, Pak. Understand.
Pak Awi,
Yeah.
initiative here, I'm not sure whether you agree with me. Let's say Kuba is sales and he's also helping to sell excellent agriculture.
Yeah.
Why not let Rizal tell Papuba, right? What are the other plantation that Papuba can contact, especially the mechanization department?
Okay. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, then at least we are not only focused on just one or two accounts, we can spread the net wider.
Yeah. Actually, that's the plan, sir. But
Yeah.
currently, Pak Purba waiting from the Gustavo to connect him to other person, especially that can speak bahasa
Lokal for lokal, Pak.
Yeah, probably I'm saying beyond cinemas, beyond Eastern Army, other company in refer to other company in this.
Agree. Okay.
Yeah. Especially Rizal, no. But Rizal has worked in a plantation before, yeah.
Yeah.
Rizal,
Yeah,
you should
Yep.
please share your idea with Fuba.
Yeah.
in a plantation, right? What are the common challenges they have? Who is the
Okay,
right
Pak.
person for him to contact? So when Pak Puba contacts those plantations, you really at least have a background to have a proper conversation with those people.
Yeah, I see, Pak Dokter.
Understand?
Understand, Pak.
Understand, Bang.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Any other plantation account here? Any others?
Dexter,
Yeah.
I have a meeting little bit with Pak Chin and Pak Marcel
Okay.
for regarding CAP, maybe only 15 to 20 minutes regarding the milestone for payment that negotiated by Chandra Asri. So
Okay.
maybe you can continue if you don't mind.
Yeah, okay, continue. Yeah, no problem. I can
I'll
continue that. Yeah.
be back after the discussion. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
No problem.
Thank you, Dexter.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, thank you. Okay. Any other plantation company?
Purba, sorry Pak, Dokter Indonesia. Purba yang kemarin ini apa Eagle Hack nggak dimasukkan ya?
Eagle Head, no, Pak. No.
Bukan aja, Bang.
For
Yeah, Pak Dokter, we usually we have this discussion with Eagle Hack Foundation. If you know company.
No, I'm not familiar with Eagle Head. Not familiar.
Yeah, we have this online meeting with their team. I explain about Hexagon Agriculture Overview portfolio, but especially focus two system. First is for fertilization and machine monitoring. But now still waiting confirmation from him about we continue meeting for the plantation people. Like that.
Was Pak Puba in the meeting?
yes, Pak.
Yes,
Already,
Pak.
Pak.
Okay. So who owned the contact in Eagle Head? Is it Pak Riza or Pak Puba?
Pak Rizal, Pak.
From ini siapa namanya Pak Eko? Mana bilangnya?
Yes. Pak Eko is one of our team here, Pak.
Oh,
Yeah, Pak
Ya
Eko
Pak
is
friend
our
who will connecting with me with the Eagle Hack team.
oh,
Yeah.
who is Pak Eko?
Pak
Pak Eko siapa?
Pak Eko
Pak
is
Eko tuh
sub-
friends
staff not staff
Freelance,
but freelance staff in MCT, Pak,
Eko?
under Mr. Mustafa.
Oh, I see. Okay. Understand.
under Mr. Mustafa.
Okay, understand.
He's like
Okay.
a contributor and freelance in here, Pak.
Okay, understand. Okay. So how many meetings you have with Eagle Head? 2 meetings.
Yeah, one
meeting.
Yeah, one online meeting.
With
I
who?
have explained.
Engineer or technician?
Engineer and technician.
No head of mechanization.
No. Staff in Jakarta.
Are they interested?
Yes, he interested and want to the next meeting, but until now we don't have a response.
What kind of plantation? Is it sawi?
Yes, palm oil.
Palm oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
We presentation also the yang punya Aruna tuh apa tuh Bang?
Aruna.
Laser scanner.
Laser scanner.
Yes.
That is interesting about laser scanner also.
Why are they interested in laser scanner?
For scan the food.
Scan the fruit.
Yeah, and in the mill scan like apa namanya itu jangan kosong, empty buns.
Okay, do they have meals?
Yeah, meals.
They have meals also.
Yeah, they have meals.
Okay.
Laser scanner for the meals.
Do you know who are the people? Do you know the people who work in the mill?
No, it's not my session. My session is for.
No. Puba,
Yes, Pak.
Puba, can you get Pak Eko
Okay.
to introduce you to the people who work in the mills in Eagle Head?
Okay, Pak.
How many mills they have?
Ada berapa
Bapak.
millsnya, Bang?
Yeah, they have. If I Lombok is 5.
5.
mil, yeah,
5.
Yeah.
5 mil. Okay.
Kalimantan is the bigger in Kalimantan.
So Farizam,
Yeah, Kang Seng.
please explain to Pak Puba how a mill operate for sawit.
Yeah.
Again, so Pariza at least, so Pak Puba understand the function of mill,
Yeah.
what are the challenge of mill, and then position the discussion. Yeah. Puba,
Yes, Pak.
excellent agriculture solution is for plantation.
Yes, Pak.
Excellent ALI is for mills and refinery.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I have asked Pak Rizal to explain to you the challenge in a plantation. Alright, what do a plantation need? I also asked Pak Rizal to explain to you the challenge in the mill, okay, how a mill operates. Then you can actually position, then you know, then you can understand better, then you can have a conversation with people. Yeah, Pak Puba.
Yeah.
Understand, Pak.
Okay, yeah, alright. Okay, let's go to other account. Any other plantation account?
This one, Pak. Apical, Pak.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yes, okay.
Apical, I have connection there, but I already asked his time to discussion, but he guys is very busy, Pak.
What? Who do you know in Africa? What is the connection?
Mr. Ricardo, Pak. Mr. Ricardo is general manager for warehouse and logistic.
Okay, warehouse and logistics. Okay.
Yeah. But not on warehouse and logistic we should, but as we will use Pak Ricardo to go to arahkan
Introduce you.
kami, yeah, introduce us to others, other like yeah, other
Okay,
department
okay.
like meals or operation or something like that,
Yeah.
or mechanization. Because we
Okay.
know Pikal is very big, Pak. Pikal.
Right.
Yeah. They already have they also have a refinery and something like plantation also ASEAN Agri. This is
Yep.
under Eagle apa ya? RME, Pak, Raja Emas, Pak.
RGA.
RGE Raja,
Royal Golden Eagle.
yes,
Yes.
Royal
Yeah,
Golden
okay.
Eagle, yes, RGE,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
I already discussed with Pak Marcel about this, Pak.
Okay. What did
And
Pak Masak say?
he's very concerned, so Pak Marcel wants to meet with Pak Ricardo.
Yes,
But
please. Yes, please get Masak meet with Ricardo
yeah,
together.
Pak Ricardo until right now he doesn't have time to have meeting with me.
And where is Pak Ricardo? Is it in Qatar
Jakarta,
or
Pak, Jakarta head office.
your office? Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah.
Maybe this week I have his time to have a meeting, Pak. Maybe this week, maybe, yeah. I
Yeah.
wish.
Please push harder. Yeah.
Yes, Pak. I will.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Which one? Any other plantation?
I think plantation enough, Pak. Yeah.
Yang ini yang Golkar itu plantation ya? Yang Golkar.
Oh iya.
Bilang aja.
Pak, we have, but it's still for the long masih jauh ya, Pak, ya. Still
Yeah,
so
no,
far
long.
away. Yeah. For 2 million hektar apa, Bang? Tebu, Pak. We have to tebu apa, Bang? Tebu. Sugar cane. Indonesia government have
Okay.
has planning to have our own sugar.
Yes.
So because swasembada apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya? I don't know, Pak.
Call it food security.
Yeah, food security for sugar, Pak. For sugar. And how to make sugar? Our government have to plan menanam lahan tebu sebesar 2 juta hektar di Merauke, Papua, Pak.
or 2 million.
Yeah.
2 million
Okay.
in Papua. But we want to introduce our solution for hexagon plantation, Pak. Plantation and hexagon apalagi Bang ya yang bisa kita kenalkan, Bang?
LI for refinery, right?
Yeah.
Sugar.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
uh, there are three output from the sugar cane, Pak. First methanol, and then
Methanol.
and then sugar.
Sugar for consumption.
Ya, and then satu lagi apa ya Bang katanya ya?
No.
Bioetanol Bang, bioetanol.
Or mix the fuel from the motor.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, benar Bang.
Yes.
Yes, fine, correct. Tony.
And so do you know who is the person there? The government?
Mr. Tony, Pak. Mr. Tony from our he is right now working for Bakri Plantation, Pak. And
Okay.
Golkar, Golongan Karya Party, Pak.
Golkar Party, okay?
Yeah, Golkar Party. He is as a head of agronomy, Pak. Agronomist in Golkar Party.
Bakri.
Yes.
In Golkar Party.
Yes, Pak. His
So
name.
how do you know him?
I know him, Pak. I know him. We
Your
already.
personal friend?
Yeah, Pak.
Is he your teman?
Yes, of course, Pak. Very close friend. Very close friend.
Okay.
I already asked his time to have a meeting, but he is very busy. He is in Sumatra right now. Maybe this week he already arrived in Jakarta, and we expect to meet him with Pak Reza also, Pak.
Puba.
Yes, Pak.
Papuba. Just my suggestion. You and Papuba, and maybe you, Papuba, Marcellus, should discuss about this opportunity. Why? But Marcellus comes from consulting background. He'll be able to help you explain to your friend the financial benefits of Hexagon solutions. Because your friend is from Golkar, right?
Yes, Pak.
He definitely has a commitment to his party to say, okay, how to create this 2 million plantation, how to develop sugar. But Marcel can explain, can help you. Rizal explain that to your friend, yeah. So I will suggest you, Rizal and Pak Marcel have a discussion first. Then you make a meeting with this guy, with your friend.
Oh yeah. Yeah, okay, Pak Nasir.
Yeah, Pak Puba,
Yes, Pak.
is it okay?
Okay, Pak.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Pak.
Yeah.
But maybe Pak Marcel is very busy also, Pak, ya.
So if you cannot get Pak Marcel, you get Pak Wu to help you, or you can come to me, I can sell. So
Okay, Pak. Okay.
yeah, okay, because this is an important opportunity, right? Because if you can bring, if you tell Pak Marcel, I can introduce ALI solutions, he will definitely be interested.
Fine, Pak. Fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Pak.
All right.
Yes.
Any more? Yeah. Sorry.
We have also we have a plan to meet Tony. Firstly, discussing about like a coffee meeting lah.
Yeah. I think you and Papiwa can have a coffee meeting with him first. A coffee meeting first to find out how real is this opportunity. Then you can explain to him very high level, what Hexagon agriculture can offer, what Hexagon ALI can offer. You can perhaps, just my suggestion, right? Pak Kuba, Pak Rizal, if you don't want to include Pak Masa in the first meeting, at least get Pak Awi to go with you guys. Does Pak Awi know enough of ALI to explain to him as well? Okay?
May concern.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, next. Andrew?
No, I think for plantation enough, Pak.
Okay, yeah, all right.
Any input from you, Bang Reja?
No.
Okay, let's look at the non-plantation.
Yeah.
for result, you can excuse or you want to stay to you. Because I'm going to ask Fuba about non-plantation.
Okay, Pak Master. We'll stay, I think.
Okay,
No
okay.
problem.
But other is Pak, ini maybe you already know Komatsu Indonesia, Pak.
No, I know.
And this is the update is now we are waiting for the unit arrive in Jakarta, Pak.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. Okay. You monitor that status ya, Pak ya? You already monitor it.
No, Pak Hui has explained to me.
Okay, Pak. Baik, fine. Okay, Pak. I think that's from agriculture, Pak.
Okay, let's talk about ALI. Okay. So, yeah, let's go up. Atas, di atas, yeah. Okay. First one.
Yes.
This is a HCML, right?
Husky Sionosi.
Husky.
Yeah,
Husky
Madura
Sionosi, yeah.
Limited, Pak. Yes, Pak.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I already discussed with Pak Abu Hanifah, Pak. We are chatting about in WhatsApp. He already replied my chatting, and he is right now in Surabaya, maybe, Pak.
Where is Husky plant? Where is Husky of Husky? Is it in Surabaya or is it in?
Surabaya, Madura, and is Jawa, Pak. Is Java.
Okay. Okay. So, Pak Abu Hanifah, what is his position in Husky? Is he a procurement? Is he an engineer?
IT head, Pak. IT head
IT head, okay.
and IT head and what I say? Let me check, Pak ya. IT head and modernization, something like that, Pak.
Okay.
Abu Hanifah.
Okay.
I asked him to present our AI, especially for J5, SDX, dan design tools, also Ecosys. I already sent to him the brochure, and now Pak Abu doesn't reply my message right now, Pak.
Have you spoken to him already?
No, Pak, but chatting from with using WhatsApp.
See, Pak Fuba, I remember last time I spoke to you, right? Before you send product information to customer or prospect, you have to ask them what is their IT plan. What is the IT initiative? Do you know what are the IT initiative in the Husky? When I say IT initiative means what kind of IT software they want to implement or IT project. Are you aware?
Not so, Pak.
So first thing, before you actually send information, you have to ask him, right? Hanifa, okay, I'm from MCT, right? I'd like to understand what the IT initiative you have for 2024, 2025. Can we have a check? That is the first thing you need to do before you even share them product. Because he will not understand what is J5, he will not understand what is SDX, he will not understand what is design tools, and he doesn't understand Ecosys because he's IT. He's not end user.
Okay, fine, Pak. Fine.
You understand, Kuba? Because unless he use our software, he will not understand. So when you send all this to him, he will maybe also when you look at this, he doesn't understand. That's why first thing before you send any information, you have to have a coffee talk to him first. Ask him what the IT initiative he's working on. For example, is he working on digital twin? Is he working on safety? Is he working on procurement? Right? Because IT department is to help the end user improve. You understand?
Understand, Pak. Understand.
So do you know? Have you done business with Hanifa before?
Yes, Pak. He's my ex superior, Pak.
Sorry, ex superior.
Yes, my ex superior.
Yeah, okay. So maybe you can have a coffee talk with him first. Coffee talk with him, first understand what are the initiative the user want him to implement. Alright, before then from there you will see whether does Hexen AI even have a solution for them.
Fine, Pak.
The reason why I say that what you think is useful for him may not be useful for him. You understand?
Understand, Pak. Understand.
You may think that okay, they only need like they only SCM, but he may already have, or maybe he doesn't even need.
Yes, yes, Pak.
Yeah, so I always before I send any information to anybody, I always call them first. If more so they are my friends, I say, hey, let's have a chat over coffee. During the chat, you start to understand their business first, understand the challenge, and then ask them, hey, since you have this challenge, since user is facing these challenges, the management want to achieve this goal, what are you doing? Do you have a program in place? Has SKK Migas approved the program? When SKK Migas must approve the budget. You understand?
Understand, Pak. Understand.
Okay? So please do that first. Yeah. Try to get him out for a coffee talk first.
Yes, Pak. Fine, Pak. Fine.
Okay? Okay, next one, Macro Energy.
Medco energy still no update yet from them, Pak.
Same, it's the same. Who's Pak Yazi? What is his position?
His Mr. Yazin is process engineer, Pak.
Okay.
Sorry, process manager, Pak. Process manager.
Process manager.
Yes, Pak.
Process manager for process engineering or process safety?
Engineering, Pak. Engineering.
Engineering, right? Okay. So, do you know him personally?
Not so, Pak. But my friend introduced him to me. Hey, bro, you have to contact Yasin if you have for solution for the operation management. Said like that, Pak, to me.
Okay.
I already sent the J5 brochure to him, but there is no reply right now. But I also contact another people in Medco, Pak. Name is Mr. Alphonse Sibarani, Pak. Alphonse Sibarani.
Okay.
ALVON. Wait, I want to see his LinkedIn. Mr. Alphonse Sibarani, Medco. Wait ya, Pak ya. Mr. Alphonse Sibarani. Wait ya, Pak ya. Wait, sir.
Yeah, okay. No problem. I'll wait.
Can you see this, Pak?
Yeah.
He is my friend, Pak.
Go down. Okay, scroll down.
Now he is lead project digital transformation in Medco ENP Indonesia, Pak.
Okay.
Yeah. Lead project digital transformation. I think he's the right person. I already message him by using WA or something or message in chat LinkedIn, but
So, sorry. Can you scroll down to his LinkedIn? To his LinkedIn. Can you click on see more, please? Papua.
yes, Pak.
Can you click on the word see more? No. Papua, please don't move your cursor around. Go down to his profile. Okay. Down. Okay, stop. Can you see the sentence? Personally motivated to continuous learning and engagement in implementation of the click on see more. Yeah. So he's from IT, right?
Yes, Pak. Yes.
So at least have a conversation with him first. Because IT people usually do you do project based on user requirement. All right.
Yes.
I know Novi is trying to go to Macro EMP as well.
Yes. Yes, Pak. Yes.
Right. So, but I think Novi is talking to the end user. You can talk to this guy to find out what are the projects that this guy Avon is trying to implement. Not IT project, but what are the projects he's implementing for the end user. And then you can see, and from there you can decide whether that's something Hexen ALI can offer.
Fine, Pak. Fine.
Can you please go down di bawah? Bawah. Ini lagi. Okay. All right. They say he was from Accenture last time.
Yes.
So-
But we are working together. I was as engineer in Slamberzee, Pak.
Okay.
So we were working together in Maxus Sionosi field to implement the
Okay.
SAP, Pak.
So you were from Samaraja,
Yes, Pak.
and he was in Accenture.
He was in Accenture, but I was working at Slamberzee Information System.
I see. Okay, understand. Okay. All right, let's go back to the Excel.
Wait, Pak.
Let's look at the priority one. Yeah. Okay. So
Next, after Medco, the priority one also is ENI, Pak.
ENI, okay.
Yeah, ENI. I already asked to my friend as a warehouse head in ENI, Pak. That I already. Is there any problem in delivery or for purchasing unit? He said so far is no, Pak, and they
Okay.
already use SAP to monitor the shipment and the courier also give access
Okay.
to them to access the delivery where the unit is the location right now, Pak.
Okay.
So that's the challenge how to propose or introduce our solution to him.
Hmm. Challenge, is it?
Yes, Pak.
Okay. So he's from warehouse. Is he from logistic or is he from warehouse?
He my my relation in ENI from logistic and warehouse, Pak.
Okay. Is he responsible for procurement?
No, Pak. No.
So he's doing only supply chain.
Yes.
Is he willing to introduce you to the person in operations department? As in production department.
Relation of course, Pak. He because uh the unit purchase from purchasing have to put first on their warehouse before they deliver to the end user, Pak. For maybe for production for other division in ENI.
Okay. So can you ask him to introduce you to people operations department?
I already, Pak. I already.
Okay.
The person in Jakarta office in SCBD area, but the person that I know in ENI has shift operation, Pak. Shift
Okay.
shift time in remote area. He is in Muara Bakau right now in Kalimantan.
Hmm.
His time schedule about 2 weeks and 2 weeks off and 2 weeks on, Pak.
Okay.
So the problem is when he is off duty, yeah, he busy with the training or something like reporting to his superordinate or something like that, Pak.
Hmm.
I already asked him to introduce to the operation manager, and he promised to me, will if the time is fit, he will bring me to the operation manager, Pak.
Okay. So in the meantime, right?
Yes, Pak.
In the meantime, this guy said that he has no problem with logistics. They are using SAP to monitor, right?
Correct, Pak. Correct.
Okay, what kind of item do they buy?
Maybe 1,000, Pak. Maybe 1,000, Pak.
See,
Yeah, Pak.
which is good to manage not small item. Is those long lead item that's expensive. Turbine, spool, pipe spool, anything
Yes.
that's expensive, long lead item.
Of course, Pak.
Because they use SAP from MM
Yes,
to manage
material
procurement, right? But
material management.
yeah, but you must understand, Jovis is good. Jovis can also connect to SAP. So the difference between Jovis and SAP MM is Jovis actually start to track the material from the manufacturer side, not from the shipping side. It start to track from the manufacturer. For example, let's say if E and I want to buy a turbine from GE, Jovis has start to track at GE side to see whether the turbine has gone through commissioning, gone through whatever, right? And then the whole shipment until when the whole turbine is shipped to the site. That is a strength of Jovis. SAP MM doesn't do that. So when you talk to him, right, you say, okay, I understand using SAP MM. Can you share with me for big ticket item, how do you manage to track to make sure when they reach the project site, you can still, until where it's installed, you can see the whole history. That is where the strength of Jovis is. It's not about tracking only, it's about understanding the whole supply chain from manufacturer until installation.
You follow me, Pak Purba?
Follow, Pak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you say, okay, I already have SAP MM, I don't need. You say, yeah, fine, I understand. It's
It's
it's good that you have SAP MM, but we are talking about different thing.
thing.
What we
What
are different, we are tracking login item from the moment it's manufactured until its installation.
Okay.
Do you have this
this
challenge? You ask him, does he have this challenge? If you say yes, then you ask him why? Why you have this challenge? If you are using SAP, how come you still have this challenge? Always remember to ask why. You see my point?
I see, Pak. I see, Pak. Take the point.
While waiting for you to introduce you to the operation department, this is something you can also talk to him about.
Okay, Pak.
Because we have customers who use Jovix, they also use SAP MM. They also use SAP, but still they want Jovix.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Okay?
Alright?
Alright.
You must understand. Sorry,
Yes,
go ahead.
the Jovic, I understand the Jovic, Pak. He can, yeah, I already informed to him also, like as you informed to me, Pak, about the Jovic future. But he said,
Okay.
our courier, such as DHL or FedEx or maybe the other courier, has a tracking management system also, Pak.
Different part. Talking different thing.
Oh,
You see, tracking is one thing. We are not tracking only. We are checking out. So, for example, DHL, all those, are they using DHL to ship pipes? See, for example, if I'm an ENI, right? Okay, I have a project. Let's say I have a turnaround project. I need to change the equipment. Okay, as ENI, I order the equipment from manufacturer. All right, we start to tag the equipment with ID tag at the manufacturer site. Start to track the whole process. The manufacturer, whether they have commissioned the equipment, whether they have shipped the equipment, whether they have test equipment, until it comes to my project site, until installation, the whole process at my project site. It's not about tracking the delivery. It's different. Yeah?
oh, okay.
We're talking about material readiness. Whether the material is good enough for production. There is a difference. You follow me?
Follow, Pak. I understand. Yeah.
Yeah?
Copy,
So
Pak.
you can go back to this guy and say, look, Pak, understand you're using SAP MM, you're using DHL, okay, courier system, but we are talking about it different. Please allow me to explain what is different. Right? For example, if you have a turnaround, you need to replace the equipment, all right? You will definitely order the equipment to manufacturer. We start to manage the whole equipment from the manufacturer all the way until its commission and production in your plant. That is a whole history we are keeping track. And with that, we can also look at, right, in future, this will form up in future, this information will be good for you for your maintenance. You understand?
Understand, Pak. Understand.
Okay. Give me 2 minutes. Pak,
Yes,
one
Pak.
second, let me 2 minutes. Yeah. Pak Purba,
Yes, Pak.
let me share my
my
screen.
screen.
Can you see
Can
my
you see my
screen?
screen?
No, Pak.
What about
What about
now?
now?
Oh, stop screen ya from me ya, Pak ya.
No,
No, stop.
Can you see
Can you
my
see my
screen?
screen?
Can.
You can
You
go
can
to
go
here,
to here,
YouTube,
YouTube,
and
and
understand what's
understand
Hexen
what's
Jovix.
Hexen
You see?
See?
You can
You can
also play
also
this
play this
YouTube to your
YouTube to your
friend.
friend.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay?
So
So
you
you understand
what is the
what is the
difference
difference
between
between
SAPP,
SAPP,
MM,
M,
and
and
Jovix?
Jovix?
For
For
example,
example,
yeah. Let me play
Let me
this
play this
video.
video.
Can you
Can you
hear?
hear?
Okay.
Can you hear
Can
the
you hear the
audio?
audio?
Audio no, Pak.
Okay,
Okay,
never
I
mind.
can
You
see the word, right?
This
This one. This one.
Still no audio.
No need,
No, it's okay. Don't worry about
the
audio.
Can you see
Can you
this
see this
screen?
screen?
Okay, can, Pak, can.
This is a pipe. Okay, this is
And
a
this is
pipe
a pipe
spool.
spool.
You see, the
See,
whole
the
idea
whole
of
idea
Jovix
is
is help you
how
find
you
your
find your
material when it comes to your
your
project
project
site
site
easier.
easier.
I'm back, sir. Sorry, took a little bit.
Yeah, no
No
problem.
problem.
But we
I
are
was
trying
trying
to
to
explain
explain to
Pak Purba
Yes.
how to
how to
differentiate
differentiate
between
between
Jovix
Jovix
and
and
SAP
SAP
MM.
MM.
He
He
mentioned
mentioned
to me that
he
hello?
hello?
Yes, sir. I'm listening. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I can
I
hear
can
you.
hear you.
Pak Purba
Papa
mentioned to me that he was
was
talking
talking
to
to
his
his
contact at
contact at
E&I
ENI
about
about
Jovix,
Jovix.
and they
And
say
they say
no
no,
need
no need
Jovix because
Jovix
they have
because they have
SAP
SAP
MM.
MM.
So
Oh.
I
So I
asked
asked
Pak
Pak
Purba
Purba
to
to
first
first
understand
first
what is
what is
Jovix
Jovix
first, all right? To
To
differentiate what is
what is
Jovix
Jovix
so that
so
he
that he
can
can
have
have
conversation
conversation
with
with
friend
friend
at
at
E&I,
ENI,
and
and
also at the same time ask
ask
to
to
send
send
E&I to
ENI to
introduce
introduce
him
him
to
to
the
the
operations
operations
department.
department.
Because
Because
his
his
friend at
friend at
E&I
ENI
is
is
from
from
the
the
supply
supply
chain
chain
warehouse
warehouse
department.
department.
Okay?
Okay?
So there are
So there
a
are a
lot of
lot of
video in
video in
YouTube,
YouTube,
yeah.
yeah.
Pak Purba
So I
just
just
go
go
to
to
YouTube
YouTube
and they will
and they will
explain to you
explain to
what's
you what's
Jovix.
Jovix.
Okay, you
Okay,
just
you
say
just
what's
say what's
Hexen
Hexen
Jovix.
Jovix.
Then you can
Then you
see
can see there's one
this one,
this
for
one for
example.
example.
Okay?
Okay?
Let me
Let
try
me
to
try
play
to
this
play
one.
this one.
Hold
Hold
on.
on.
One second.
Routinely waste time looking through
Can you hear the
binders,
sound?
making phone
phone
calls,
calls,
Yes.
radioing
Can
the
you hear me?
field, and searching through multiple spreadsheets for the information they
Hold
need
on,
to
let
support
me play again.
decisions.
Okay.
Okay.
On a project without Jovix, traditional material data collection processes are manual, error-prone, and slow. Sometimes requiring weeks between when a truck arrives and when the information is available to construction. Processing that data and information is inefficient and ad hoc. Materials personnel routinely waste time looking through binders, making phone calls, radioing the field, and searching through multiple spreadsheets for the information they need to support decision-making. When material data is lagging, paper-dependent, and rear-facing, analysis of material status and work-based planning is incomplete and outdated. Coordination meetings are frustrating and time-consuming. Materials management is forced to be reactive, scrambling to handle issues that have already impacted construction. Unfortunately, these outdated processes are the norm. A norm that results in 37% time on tools, as well as schedule and budget overruns. This must change. That's where Jovix comes in. On the project with Jovix, material data is collected digitally at the point of transaction and made available globally in real time. With modern materials management, processing the data is automated. Digitized material information is associated with materials management process steps that inform the project on a comprehensive scale. Construction crews and material crews are able to work in tandem from the same graphical information, getting the right material to the right person at the right time. Meetings are forward-facing, and management is able to easily determine what issues need to be resolved before they impact construction. Jovix extends beyond decision support into driving action. By automating data exchange between stakeholders with alerts, assignments, and notifications, Jovix enables more accurate and efficient execution. Legacy systems are manual, error-prone, and slow, leading to reactive decision-making. Jovix transforms data into action, enabling the materials management team to do what they were meant to do: proactively drive construction productivity. Modern materials management is mobile, automated, and graphical, which allows users to make better decisions today with real-time information.
Okay, Pak Purba. I hope that gives you some idea of what is Jovix. It's not a material tracking system only.
Yes, Pak.
Yeah.
So
that's why I say you can talk to your friend. Explain
to him.
There's a
difference between Jovix and SAP, and also ask to refer to other department, right? Like operations department or project department.
Why? Because those departments will plan for turnaround, shutdown.
Sir, sorry. Do we need to send this YouTube video to them or no need?
I mean, you can share to them, no problem. They can use this videos available on YouTube.
Okay.
But Purba can send this YouTube video to them.
Okay. I can download it first, Pak. I will download.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So
Pak Purba. So
typically, right? Supply chain is responsible for buying material. Yes. Okay. But the person who is responsible for new project is usually the operations department project. So you have to explain this to three of them so that they understand the value of Jovix. Once you explain the value of Jovix to them, you can say, hey, by the way, Hexagon is other solutions. Very targeted for operation maintenance. You like, can we have a separate discussion with you? You understand?
Yeah, maybe for data engineering ya, Pak ya. Jovix strong in data engineering. Maybe for they purchase valve, one valve with a big valve, and then where the valve supposed to be installed, and Jovix can also describe this material join to other material, the others material. I think that's the point plus of Jovix than
SAP. The selling point of Jovix is where is it installed?
Yes, Pak.
Where is it installed? Because especially for project,
yes, Pak.
you have many high valve. A lot of time the people spend a lot of time going to the project site to look for the right valve.
Yes, Pak.
Install. Right? So that is where the strength of Jovix compared to SAP MM. Of course, SAP MM and project tracking is not an issue, but Jovix can pinpoint graphically where's the material, where should you install. And once you install, you know, okay, for example, this valve is installed right here. You say, oh, this is the history. This valve was from this manufacturer, and it was actually commissioned in manufacturer. What date it was shipped to here. Why I say this is important? Because when it comes to maintenance, when there's an issue, right?
Yes, Pak.
With the valve, sometimes the owner operator want to claim warranty. They have this information to go back manufacturer A. Say, 3 months ago, I bought this valve from you. You claim that you commissioned this valve, but now, today, the valve is broken.
Yes.
I want to claim warranty. You see?
Yeah, Jovix can inform the vendor names,
the history.
Yeah.
The history of this whole valve.
Yes, Pak. Yes.
Okay.
That is a selling point of Jovix.
Copy, Pak. Copy.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, can you go back to your Excel
Excel
spreadsheet,
spreadsheet, please?
Okay, can we look at all the priority one first? The priority
Priority
one.
one.
P1.
Yeah,
Yeah,
P1.
P1.
Already not enough. Finish, Pak.
Finish,
Finish,
P1
P1.
PM. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
P2.
P2.
GMF AeroAsia. I already sent him the brochure of Hexagon J5 because I know GMF AeroAsia is a MRO and they operate 24 hours shifting, Pak. That's why I sent him Mr. Balugu about the J5 brochure, Pak.
Papuba.
Yeah, Pak.
Yeah.
Last time when we
We
discussed
discussed
GMF Aero Asia, I asked you to talk to Mas Ari. My ex-colleague Mas Ari. Do you speak to Mas Ari?
Mas Alwi,
Ari.
Pak Ari, not
Yeah.
yet, not yet.
No,
not yet.
I asked you to talk to Mas Ari to ask him what solutions he think is relevant for GMF Aero Asia. Because Mas Ari came from GMF himself.
Kamu bilang, kamu koordinasi sama Ari, soalnya Ari pernah kerja di situ. Jadi kira-kira apa solusi yang cocok?
Oke, Pak.
Yeah, please. You need to talk to Mas Ari because he'll know whether J5 or EAM is even relevant to them.
Sandi Ari ya, Pak.
Iya.
Yeah, Sandi Ari too.
Okay, Pak, fine. I will discuss more deep with Pak Ari.
Yeah,
with
please,
GMF.
yeah.
Pak. Okay,
Same
Pak.
thing. For
For
Aero
Catering
catering services, please discuss with Mas Ari. To ask
So
Mas
ask Mas
Ari,
Ari, right?
Yeah,
what
Pak.
do you think we can
We can
offer
offer
to Aero
Aero
catering
catering
services?
services.
Okay, fine, Pak. I will already take note
Yeah, okay.
my notes to discuss more with Pak Ari about GMF.
GMF as well as
Aero catering.
Asia as well as Aero catering. Yeah.
Yes, Pak.
He
Fine.
understand these two company
Fine,
better. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Can we look at Angkasa Pura? Have you contacted them already?
Already, Pak. But for Angkasa Pura, there is no confirmation yet, Pak.
Who's the contact Angkasa Pura? Who do you talk to?
Mr. Randy Tio, Pak. Randy Tio.
Do you have his LinkedIn profile? May I have a look at his LinkedIn profile?
No, Pak. No.
You don't have LinkedIn profile, okay? What?
Wait, Pak. Randy Tio.
Yeah.
No, he had no account in Angkasa Pura
LinkedIn.
2 in LinkedIn, Pak.
Okay.
So I will ask him, Pak. Torsia, Pak. Wait, Pak.
Okay.
Wait.
All right. Any other P2? Any other priority 2?
any other P to wait.
Yeah.
Pertamina Gas, Pak.
I mean, I guess
Yeah, Pertamina Gas.
it's P3.
Oh, no. Wait.
Yeah. Okay. That's all right.
Already, Pak. Finished.
Okay.
P4,
What?
P2.
Can we scroll down? Please go down. Lagi. Okay. More hotel. Have you discussed with Marcel?
Yes, Pak. He proposed to give the solution for Lucia, Pak. Lucia.
Okay. Yeah.
But until right now, I don't have any information from Pak Marcel about the Lucia. Yeah, Pak. I will. Because Lucia is already used at NATO, Pak.
You can ask Mas Ari to give you. He has information about Lucia. You don't have to ask Pak Marcel. You can ask Mas Ari.
Ari, ya,
Alright.
Pak. Okay, Pak.
Yeah. But we have to explain to Mas Ari. Please explain to Mas Ari, right? What you try to achieve Moratel with Lucia. Then he can explain to you. He can help you. Okay.
Okay, Pak. Okay, Pak.
Okay. All right. Last one. Last week, did you go to Citarum?
Yes, Pak. I go to BBWS.
Yeah. Okay. So, who do you meet there?
The head of department, Pak.
Head of department only, not the head of BWS.
Excuse me, Pak.
Who do you meet? Is it the head of department or the chairman?
Mana? Yang dibahas apa?
BBWS, Pak.
Mana
BBWS.
BBWS?
Sini belum masuk BBWS, Pak.
Oh, oke. Kontaknya kamu di BBWS ya, Pak?
Kontaknya belum ada, Pak. Hadi, Pak. Pak Hadi.
Pak Hadi posisinya apa?
Hadi yang kita ini, Pak.
Oh, Dokter Hadi.
Dr. Hadi. Dr. Hadi, Pak, bring us to BBWS.
Yes. Okay, I understand. But who do you meet in BWS?
Ketemunya
That's
sama
my
siapa?
question.
Ketemunya kepala balai, Pak. Kepala balai. Head of-nya, Pak.
Okay. Can you show me the name of the person? Go to the website, please. Go to the website.
Wait, Pak.
Yeah.
Udah ketemu apa belum? Ini udah ketemu apa belum?
Apanya, Pak? Udah.
ketemu sama orang.
Yang ke Bandung kemarin, Pak.
Oh, yang Citarum ini.
Citarum, ya.
Oh, Dexter. So, Pak Bestari is the director of the BBWS. So, after meeting, he requests us to discuss, follow up with the head of project, Pak Edi Suwandi, Dexter.
Okay.
So, around I think Pak Edi Suwandi available time, then we will have a meeting with them.
So we don't know exactly what is the opportunity there yet. Is that correct?
Not yet. So Pak Oce already give some explanation, but Pak Bestari tell us to meet with the head of project to see which of our solution can be beneficial for them.
Okay. So did Pak Oce share with them what solution we offer he did collect information from them?
Kemarin pas lagi meeting diskusi apa?
Pak Oce itu menjelaskan mengenai ini, Pak, mengenai IAM, Pak. IEM.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So explaining about EAM and explaining about the operation management system, Dexter.
Oh, yeah, and operation management. Okay.
Yes.
So are they interested?
Pak Bestari doesn't comment interested or not. Pak Bestari only comment, please follow up or check with the head of the project. So head of the project will know more detail about what they need and which of our solution can be beneficial for them.
Okay. So now, who has the action item? Papua?
Waiting for Pak Edi availability, Dexter. So we already
Who's making the arrangement? Papua or
Pak Purba. Kamu kemarin udah suruh
Iya.
Pak Edi kan?
Iya.
Udah Pak Edi bilang.
Pak Edi belum ada info, Pak.
Kamu udah kontak Pak Edi?
Belum, Pak. Pak, ini mau saya tunjukin ke Bapak.
Mau apa? Buat apa? Kalau udah saya jelasin barusan.
Iya. I got information from Pak Bastari, Pak.
Udah saya jelasin.
Oh, udah ya. Enggak ya, udah
So,
project 9 triliun.
Oh, okay. So, Pak Bastari informed us that they have 9 trillion rupiah project. So that's why Pak Bestari request us to meet with the head of the project, Dexter.
the project? Okay.
Yeah. So they currently have a project.
9 trillion, which is
Jati
about what?
Luhur Dam.
To build a dam.
Yes, correct.
That's about 8 million, right?
9 trillion rupiah.
9 trillion. 9 trillion is okay. Let me see how much US dollar. I think it's about 50 million. Nine trillion, 1, 3, 1, 3.
Itu 9 million.
Uh, 500 million USD.
Oh, that's a lot, eh?
Yes, big one.
But
Yeah,
that's a multi-year until 2028, Pak.
Yeah, okay. It's about 540 million US dollar. Yeah. Okay, so the next, have you set up a meeting with Papua? Have you set up a meeting with Pak Edi?
Pak Edi, Pak.
Have you set up a meeting with Masih?
Already there's a waiting Pak Edi confirmation
Okay.
when his availability.
Okay. Understand. Okay.
I will create a group WhatsApp internally, Pak. Between me, Naura, Bu Novi, Pak Oce, and Dr. Hadi.
Okay.
I will create.
Please include Pak Marcel in the WhatsApp. So Pak Marcel is aware.
Okay, Pak.
Okay. Any other opportunity you're working on, Papua? Any other? Any other opportunity?
I think enough, Pak.
So far, these are the one, is it?
Yes.
No more opportunity. Okay. So, Papua, so far, do you really understand Hexagon AI solutions? Do you need any further help from us, RE, or anybody?
I think I can learn by myself, Pak.
Okay, learning by yourself is one thing, but really, how to position the solutions effectively is not about giving customer a product voucher. The best way to explain to customer is case study.
Case study, yes, Pak.
Yes. Okay, so for example, right, if you want to go to next one, Sharon, yeah, they have a $500 million dam project. Alright. Okay, so the closest we have maybe is a hydro plant. You can ask Marcel or Marcel say, okay, I need some solutions, right, or case study. How a case study has been used in the power plant or hydro plant or dam? Can you offer me? Then you can send that to Eddie. Yes, it's not about product voucher because you see, customer doesn't understand the product. they understand the use case.
Yes, Pak.
Okay.
I always my best this one, Pak, for digital project, digital asset. This one, the flow I already my point of view from this, Pak.
Understand is good. You see, you understand is good. But when you send this to customer may not understand.
Yes, Pak.
You see, let's say I'm a CEO of a company, right? My background is not engineering, my background is not software, my background is finance. I may not even understand what is a BOM. I do not understand what is a 3D model. So the best way to engage a customer is use case. Use case is always something very simple for them to understand. Alright, so you can ask Pak Marcel or Mark Ari say, or even Pak Oche say, hey, you can ask Pak Oche. In fact, you should ask Pak Oche. Hey, Pak Oche, now you know they have a $500 million project coming up. Can you find your use case? Ask Pak Oche to help you, give you a use case, then you can give to Pak ID. So when you meet Pak ID, say, Pak ID, this is a use case almost similar to your industry. This is how, this is their challenge. This is how we solve the challenge. Alright, let's discuss further.
Fine.
Yeah, because when you show them product, he may not understand. Especially if let's say ID is, for example, let's say he is not construction background, he's not project background, he might be finance background, he will totally, he will not be interested, he will not understand and he will not be interested. But this is showing the use case, what is the problem you're trying to solve, what is the return on investment. Alright, then you say, oh, okay, I have $5 million project, this system can help me save this much of cost. This system can help me avoid this kind of problem. I'll be interested. That's how you should engage customer. You must understand right now you're not selling IT product. You're not selling to IT people. You're selling to end user. Alright? End user will not understand our product unless they use it. Unless they need it. You see? That could explain why sometimes you sell product to customer, even to your friend in IT, they do not respond to you because first and foremost, they do not understand. Once they do not understand, they say, I don't think I need it. It's just don't respond to you.
Yeah.
Agree or not? I don't know. I'm just trying to understand why Pak Puma is not getting a response from his friend at all.
Yeah.
So, Pak Puma, leverage on Hexagon people, right? Especially if Pak Oche go to you meeting, or Mark Ari or anybody say, okay, you go, I'm going to you meeting, now I need your help. Find me a use case, the nearest possible. And then share with customer. When they go to present to the customer, it's not present product, it's to talk about the use case. How our system can benefit the customer. Get the customer interest first. Once they're interested, go down to the requirement and see what are the software that can meet the requirement. And then you can submit a proposal.